Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear second class students, today discuss about plane and solid shapes. See from your workbook volume 3 page number 26. Everybody open and write down. Complete the table. Now I am drawing here shapes, given shapes. Shape. Name of the shape. Name of the shape. Number of sides. Number of sides. Equal sides. Next it's 2D form. Look at the blackboard everybody beta. So here this is called as cube. Already I discussed cube. Write down. How many sides are there in a cube? 6 sides. Write down 6. Equal sides. How many sides in a cube? Because cube is in the shape of square. Cube అనేది square shape లో ఉంటుంది. So here cube is in the shape of square. Nana. So this is cube, already discussed. Cube is a 3D shape, 3-dimension shape, and also it has 3 dimensions: length, width, and depth. So it has 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it has 12 edges: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, see, this is cube. Cube is in the shape of square. So here equal sides. In a square all sides are equal. Then in the cube all sides are equal. Then write here all sides. See, this is cube, 3D shape. So 3D shape becomes 2D shape. 2D shape means this is square. This is 2D shape. Then you can write here square. It's a 2D form, square. Did you understand? This is 3D form. Means cube. Cube, 2D form, square. Then you can write here square. Now next one. Cuboid. Cuboid. See here, what is the name? Cuboid. Write down everybody. Cuboid. See, this is cuboid. Cuboid. It has how many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. How many edges? 12 edges. Here, cuboid is in the form of a rectangle. So this is 3D. 3D means cuboid. 2D means rectangle. Now here write down number of sides 6. How many sides? 6. 6 faces means 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And equal sides. Here equal sides. Look at the figure. Shape. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Then you can write opposite sides. Opposite sides. So this is 3D shape. 3D cube 3D shape becomes rectangle, that is 2D shape. So its 2D shape is rectangle. Right now. Opposite spelling ఏంటి? OPPR Now next beta, cone. So this is a cone. So 3D shape. Here this is name cone. Okay, cone. What is the name? Cone. So number of sides, there is no sides, 0. Now equal sides, no equal sides, 0. So this is what is the 2D shape of cone? Triangle. What is better? Triangle. Write down here, triangle. Now next sphere. Sphere and తెలుసుగా బేటా. So this is the name sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. So this is sphere. Is there any sides? No sides. This is only curved surface. Curved surface. Then number of sides? No. Next, equal sides? No. So sphere, this is a 3D shape. 3D shape becomes a 2D shape. Circle. It's a 2D shape. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Now last one. So this is the 3D shape sphere. So it's a 2D shape circle. Next, last one, cylinder. So cylinder. This is cylinder. Okay. So here cylinder, number of the name of the shape cylinder. So number of sides, no. Equal sides, no. Here it's a 2D form. There is no 2D form. Write down everybody. 0. Cylinder spelling raga. CYLINDER. Sphere అంటే ఇది రావా బాగా వేసిలా dash. Now next beta we can try in your workbook. See here, make as many shapes as you can form the following picture. When done, count the number of individual shapes and write in the respective shapes given on the right side. See here, so this is triangle, draw, everybody draw. Now this is triangle, draw. This is triangle, draw. See here, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here write down 5. See, you can draw this like only. See, you can draw this like only. How many squares are there? Only this is one square beta. This is only one square because in this all sides are equal in length. This is only square. Then how many squares? 1. Now count the rectangles. 1. How many rectangles are there beta in it? Count. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many rectangles beta? 3 rectangles. See here, 4 rectangles better, not 3. How many rectangles? 4. See here, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, rectangle 3, and also rectangle 4. This is 4th rectangle. Then we can write here 4. Did you understand? See, once again I am explaining reason carefully. So, in the given figure, it has 3 triangles. Triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These are the triangles. Then you can write here, triangle means T, write down, T, 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 T. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can write 5. Now 1 square. So this is only 1 square. Okay. See, square means in a square all sides are equal in length. So how many squares are there beta? Only 1 square. Then you can write 1. Now next we can count the rectangles. Rectangle means R. 1, 2, 3. So this is also rectangle. So 4. So how many rectangles are there? 4 rectangles. Then you can write 4. So in the given figure, it has 5 triangles, 1 square, and 4 rectangles. Okay? So today your class is completed. Tomorrow we can discuss about planes and shapes in activity book. Thank you everybody.